Hello and good evening or good morning, my friends. Today we will speak about filters versus values functions in DAX. The filters functions is rather similar to values functions, but there is one crucial difference. Values retains the values visible in the filter context, while filters function retain the values currently filtered by filter context. What does this mean? Let's jump to our example to explain what we have said already. We want to show a label in a report indicating, as you can see here, indicating the colors selected by the slicers. Let us now see our report. We have slicer for the product category column. We have another slicer from even product table and color column. Here category, we have color here. Here we have a matrix visuals with rows of colors from product and sales amount. Sales amount, nothing except sales quantity by sales net price. As you can see from category slicer, if we change the category, we will have the according color by filter context we get the sales amount. So in computer we have these colors, in TV videos we have these colors. So according to filter context, it will filter the sales table and give me only the colors that have the sales amount. Okay, if I now select any slicer from here, you can find that even by I filter by filter context, I make filter on this matrix visual. You can see here I have now a card with selected color. So here I have TV and video category. As you can see, we have these colors only that have sales. And here I have black, brown, silver, white colors. I don't have any other colors that they don't have sales. Okay. What is this measure? This measure is concatenating words starting with showing, and we build this concatenate X function. We will take the table from product color column, wrap it in values. I want from this table the product color column. I want to separate between them by comma. Then I want to make the order by alphabetical order ascending, because the product color is a string, so it will order it by alphabetical. So when I have it here, you can see that from TV and video I have these colors. Let's clear this slicer. Let me take black, brown, gold, and blue, black. Then I take here now the category TV and videos. Here in the matrix, you can see I have black and brown with sales, but I don't have gold and blue because I don't have sales for gold and blue color for the TV and video. You can see even here that I showing only black and brown. It doesn't retain for me four colors. The values function retain to me only two colors that have sales, that have a value from category TV and video. If we want to get more details, let me see here. Let me see here my modified expression, modified measure. Showing, we start by showing and concatenate. This is my key now, it's values product color. So now I want to concatenate the product color and I open a bracket. I need the how many transactions I have for each color. Then I will close the bracket. But here you can see that I wrap it in calculate function. Why I wrap it in calculate function? If you remember, we go to DAX guide, go to the concatenate X. You can see that here the expression is nothing except row context, and even the order by expression is row context. So if we need to have a context transition, the row that become a column filter, we have to wrap it in the calculate. So here I put check. You can see here now that black is 356 transactions and brown is 232 transactions. If we now go to computer, we can see that's okay. We have 1099. So for example, if I say for the computer, let me check here gray and pink and purple and take here computer. You can see that's only black, blue, brown, gold, green, and pink I have. I don't have green. I don't have what we have miss here. Gold. I have green, pink, orange. Okay, let me check. Oh, azure. I don't have purple. Purple. I don't have. So, what does values function here? It give me only the filter context for the visible context. Okay, let me check now here another filter, another values. Let me check another values. Now let us see the another label. You can see here now we have concatenate X. Instead of now values, we will have filters. And the same of others. Product color. This is delimiter and this is the color. And we need it by descending. The same, only change is filter instead of values. You can see here now. I will have all the colors mentioned here in the slicer. You can see here regarding if I have or not the sales or not. Let me check here. Pink, orange, gray. Let me okay, gray, brown, orange. Let me now check. You can see here we only have a brown for TV and records, and we have it labeled this one, or we have only brown. But here we have all the colors that I have selected in the slicer, whatever it's visible in my visual. If we go there and see a modified measure, you can see here the same. I put here filter, I concatenate the count rows and wrap it in the calculate. Then I will make the order by the number of sales. You can see here that all is visible is brown, and I got here only the number I have the sales for brown is 232, while the green is 0, orange 0, gray 0, gold 0. But it's even if it's not visible in the cells, in filter function, it will bring all these colors, whatever they are visible or not. I hope I make this point is clear. Any comments, please write it down. Please subscribe to my channel, support me, like and share. Thank you a lot.